The valley of Kashmir is filled with cherries. In mid-spring, the lake that adorns the city of Srinagar becomes a floating market of flowers. The changing seasons, the smiles of the girls find their way into the local dance.
Kadhi